Welcome to lasa.africa. Today we showed a pro assembly of our BAM 5T shelf. Let's go ahead and open up the box. For step 1, we require 2 parts 1, a part 2, 4 parts 3, and the Allen key just to tighten. Let's go ahead and assemble it. For the next step, we require our previously assembled parts, 4 parts number 2 and 16 parts number 3, the screws and an Allen key just to tighten. Let's go ahead and assemble now. The shells can be installed in your preference, alright? So you can either put it here, you can mount it here, or pick it up and mount it here so you'll have enough space. Let's go ahead and complete the installation, but we're gonna do alternates. Let's move on to our final step. For our final step, we need part number 4, the edge tipping bracket. Please go to our instruction manual and see how to fit. Thank you. Thank you for watching the progress review of our BAM 5T shelf. Please go to our website www.lasa.africa to view more of our product assemblies and more of our products. Thank you.